Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly, a very happy and a lovely day out there to everybody watching. Today I want to do an eye look with this palette. I love IBY Beauty and I was lucky enough to get this through Ipsy, but I see that it's on their website now, so I want to do an eye look so that in case you were wondering, here's an eye look. I want to say thank you to anybody hanging out today. Again, I seen that I get the email notifications and the Wonderland palette is back in stock. Yes, I ordered it. But they also put this on their website. I wasn't sure if they were going to, so I wasn't going to put it on my channel, but here we are. They put it on their channel. So anyways, here is this. So I'm going to do an eye look with this. I really like this. It is very, very neutral in case, I don't know if there's even swatches. You guys have them so out of the game. I don't know what's new. I don't know what's happening. These are the swatches. They swatch very, very easy. I mean, my arm's not prepped at all. They're all my favorites. They're all my favorites. It's very, I mean, if you cover up these two or maybe even these three, it's so pretty. I mean, I love neutrals, but I actually really, really like these shades so much. You have a mix of mattes and shimmers. They're beautiful. Fingers application or just brush application. You get this pigment. I mean, fantastic. I love these. So I have worn this palette quite a few times and I'm going to do a look that I have done a couple times and I really like it. It's really cool. Did I say how much it retails for? I think it was $15. Let me look it real quick. So I did just look it up really quick. It does retail for $15. I wasn't sure and I didn't want to tell you wrong, but you do get 9 pans. You do get a mirror. There's one of those plastic sheets. I think it fell on the floor, but you get this and it's like scratchy vinyl. Anyways, I am a really, really big fan of their palettes. You guys, I don't think you can go wrong at all with any of them. Any of them that I've tried, they're amazing. They're bangering. So just in case you're wondering, I'm going to start with Snow Bunny. All of these shades I've worn just all over the lid and they're so pretty. This one is fairly light, but I don't set my eyes as far as like powder. I don't like powder on my face, like setting powder. I haven't really gotten out of the habit of using any of it, so I'm just keeping it kind of messily, buffing it on my natural crease, but above, I mean, I'm just messily putting makeup on my face. And then I'm gonna take like a flat kind of shadow brush anyways, and then I dip into this one, which is Nippy, and then I press and drag all over my this like and honestly I've done like these two and then taken, what was it, Snow Bunny on the outer just a little bit just to kind of mat it out on the inner outer corner. Oh, so fast. But anyways, and beautiful. I get very, very simple looks, but I get like some amazing looks out of this too. And Nippy is like one of my favorite shades. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly dust that off and I'm gonna dip into Below Zero just to brighten up the inner corner. It's a beautiful pearl. This palette is so pretty. I mean, yes, it's very neutral with just the typical 1 or 2 pops of color, but that's my comfort zone. And then I'm gonna dip into Hot Chocolate right here. I mean, yes, it's a very neutral look, okay? I get it, but this green shade is beautiful and I like to highlight it under my eye. This is another shade that's like, oh, so good all by itself. Lift up in the upper 7 and then just kind of buff it in. And that's something else I really, really love. I love the price point on like these palettes. And I have, what is it, the Bloom, Super Bloom, I think, and it's very pinky. Oh, it's one of my favorites. I have Enlightened as well, another one of my favorites. Oh, what was that all-in-one? The Carry On. It's got face on one side and then shadows on the other. Their face powders are also really, really great. I have the big shadow or the big face palette as well. Are those the only palettes I have? I feel like I have more. I want all of them. I want all of them. And I was so bummed when I didn't get the Wonderland palette, but I did. I ordered it. So again, this is another option. Just stop, and it's beautiful on its own. But let's get super fun. I'm going to take like a flat kind of thing, smudger brush. Can you tell I'm running out of brushes? I mean, when I'm not filming, I don't mind if my brushes are dirty, but I try to, I don't know, be YouTuber creative. And anyways, I'm going to go into Evergreen and just press this brush in here. Not like that. Just pressing it in there, in case you were wondering. Then pressing it into my lash line, keeping it tight. I don't use mascara on the lower lash line, so I really just kind of use it as a liner almost, and just keep the green really close. It's so pretty. I don't like the red and the green tones together because I feel like it's too Christmassy, but the green is so pretty. So pretty. And I just build it to the intensity that I do want. But this is a really pretty look. I also like doing a halo eye with the green as well. Again, I have to go to the Harris Teeter. So we went to iLux, going to the grocery store. Since all you see is the eyes, you wouldn't be able to see me smirking and laughing at myself along with you. So, do you want my eyes to look the same? And then with a smaller brush, I'm going to go back into Hot Cocoa, and I'm going to meet this up right there with that outer 7. And just tapping because I don't want to move the green around. All right, I'm going to throw some mascara on. I'll be right back. Okay, and this is the finish makeup look with everything on. You guys, seriously, I love this green. 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 I think it's very neutral look, but it, like with the green, it's just like bam. There's a little something there, so something a little bit different that I have been wearing quite a bit. But anyways, I really think there's a value in these palettes. I love the brand. I love the ease of all the shadows I've ever tried and all the palettes. I don't think there's like a misstep between 9-pan palettes to well, I guess the all the carry-on is like 9-pan. I don't think there's a difference there. I don't think there's a difference in the bigger ones. So price point, you get a great quality. I love IBY, and this is probably one of my favorite looks. I love all these shadows. Again, I love all these shadows. I think is really great. Anyways, if you're curious to everything else on my face, it's always in the description, but people ask. So for those not in the description, I do have this. I'm just trying to work through it. I do have my tape shirt. I'll leave that one in. Tarte Shape Tape. Anybody else say shart? I have that one on. My Josie Marin foundation. I actually have foundation on. How about that? And then, of course, the IBY eyeshadow palette. I do have my PYT Beauty mascara duo. I actually really like it. Sneak peek. I think I know why the primer makes the mascara come off like so easy at the end of the night. Anyways, also I'm testing out the NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen. I don't know, I like my eyebrows today, other than yeah, we need to maintain them. Do have the PYT Beauty the Plumping Lip Gloss in Influence. Really like this color. I really like this color. I love the taste. It's like the peppermint puffs, and it lasts quite a long time for a gloss. I really like the lasting power. And then I have this on. Sorry, not trying to blind you, but that's a lot on my face. I will have everything listed down below in case you want shade names and everything like that. But this is my eye look, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It's just a quick video. I'm gonna do more of these because they do really well. People like them. But anyways, if there's a palette you want to see me do an eye look with, or if you want me to test out a palette like all week, I'm going to do that with ColourPop. But anyways, if you want me to do like all week looks, let me know. I can do that too. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share with friends so I can make more friends here on the internet. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.